Let's make a floor goose, inspired by the viral turtle mop. These absorbent goose mops are designed for everyday drips. The best part? You don't even have to bend over. Just drop the goose on the floor, place your foot on its back, and slide it across the floor to wipe away the mess. Looking for another design option? Check out my tutorial on how to make a turtle mop that also has a free downloadable pattern included. The materials needed are the free downloadable pattern, clear tape, main fabric for the goose base, fabric for the feet and beak, an old towel, thread, one small button for the eye, a sewing machine and needle, pins and or sewing clips, scissors, and an iron and ironing board. Step 1. Print the pattern. Download the free pattern as a PDF. Do not resize the file to ensure the dimensions remain correct. Print on standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper. Step 2. Cut out and prepare the paper pattern. Cut out the paper pattern pieces. Align pattern piece 1 and 2 as shown. Apply clear tape along the designated attached line. Step 3. Cut the fabric. Please note that seam allowance is already included in all pattern pieces. For the main goose fabric, pin the pattern to a single layer of fabric and cut out. You'll have one piece total. For the goose wing, fold the fabric in half, right sides together. Pin the pattern and cut through both layers. You'll have 2 total pieces. For the goose feet, fold the fabric in half, right sides together, pin the pattern and cut through both layers. You'll have 2 total pieces. For the goose beak, pin the pattern to a single layer of fabric and cut out. You'll have 1 piece total. Lay the main goose piece right side up in front of you. Place the beak and feet right side up onto their designated spot indicated on the pattern. Flip the feet and beak pieces inward onto the main goose piece so the right sides of the fabric are facing each other. Pin and sew the feet and beak in place. Iron the attached seams flat. Step 5. Sew the wing. Align the 2 wing pieces with right sides facing out. Sew along the edge, leaving a small opening to turn it right side out. Turn the wing right side out through the opening. Tuck the raw edges of the opening inside the wing, then iron flat. Top stitch around the entire edge of the wing to close the opening and add structure. Pin the wing to your desired location on the main goose body. Using a zigzag stitch, sew along the top side of the wing to attach it to the goose. Step 6. Attach the button eye. Cut about 24 inches of thread. Fold it in half, thread the needle, and tie the ends together in a single knot. Push the needle through the main goose fabric from the back to front at the eye placement mark. Pull until the knot hits the back. Slide the button onto the needle. Push the needle down through the opposite hole and back through the fabric. Repeat this motion 6 to 8 times. If using a 4-hole button, sew in an X pattern. Push the needle to the back of the fabric, pass it through the existing stitches to form a loop, and pull the needle through the loop to create a secure knot. Repeat to double knot. Step 7. Attaching the towel. Lay the towel in front of you, right side up. Place the main goose assembly fabric down on top of the towel, right side facing. Pin in place. Sew along the outer edge to attach the towel, leaving a 2-inch opening for turning. Trim away the excess towel fabric. Clip small slits around the curved edges of the entire goose, being careful not to cut your stitches. Step 8. Final assembly. Turn the goose right side out through the 2-inch opening. Iron the fabric flat, tucking the raw edges of the opening inside. Pin or clip the opening closed. Top stitch around the entire edge of the goose. This will close the opening and provide a clean, structural finish. For the free, downloadable pattern, written instructions, and photograph references, check out the tutorial on the Create Within Reach blog. Happy crafting!